Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to disable Snapchat calls. If you are looking to take a break from incoming calls or maintain your privacy, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. First thing first, open your Snapchat app. You can find it on your phone's home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in, tap on the Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner to go on your profile page. There in the top right corner, you will see a gear shift icon. That's your setting. Tap on it to access your Snapchat settings. In the setting menu, scroll down until you find Contact Me. This is where you can manage your contact preferences. There you can see two options, Friends and Contact. Friends means only people you have added as friends on Snapchat can contact you and send you snaps. And friends and contacts means people you have added as friends on Snapchat or have listed as contact in your phone can contact you and send you snaps. So select the option that suits your need. If you want only specific persons to contact you, choose friends. Once you have made your selection, be sure to save your settings. This ensures your preference take effect. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to disable Snapchat calls, giving you more control over who can contact you through the app. Keep in mind that you can always come back to these settings and make adjustments if you change your mind. Your privacy and comfort are essential. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.